In this video, I will show you how to earn points with Microsoft Rewards. First, open the Microsoft Rewards dashboard and sign in with your Microsoft account. You can earn points by searching with Bing, completing daily quizzes and activities, and using other available offers on the rewards page. You can also earn points through eligible Microsoft Store purchases and selected Xbox activities. Make sure to check the rewards dashboard regularly because available activities and offers can change. Microsoft Rewards is available in different countries, although the earning methods and rewards can vary by region. Avoid using VPNs, bots, multiple accounts, or automated searches to earn points, as these can violate Microsoft's rewards policies and may result in your account being suspended. Once you've earned enough points, you can visit the Redeem section to see the rewards available in your region. And that's how you can earn points with Microsoft Rewards.